Backlash Compensation Calibration on MECHA C1 controller. Backlash refers to the small amount of play or looseness in a mechanical system, like gears. It results in a slight delay in response when the direction of movement is changed. After a 90-degree rotation followed by a minus 90-degree rotation, MECHA should return exactly to the starting position. To perform a 90-degree rotation, press the right arrow button, then button 2. To perform a minus 90-degree rotation, press the left arrow button, then button 2. If the return position differs from the starting position, you may need to perform the Backlash Compensation Calibration automatic procedure. Alternatively, you can specify a backlash value on the config page. However, the automatic procedure is recommended for better results. Backlash compensation is intended to compensate for the backlash of the gear assembly, resulting in better precision for left-right movements, such as rewinding to the initial position for cable protection or in cases of partial panoramas and time-lapse. The procedure can be repeated after a longer period of time if the gears wear out. A slight right-left movement when starting the unit indicates that compensation is set. Otherwise, the compensation is 0 or not set. The backlash compensation calibration consists of the following steps. 1. The code for backlash compensation calibration is 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Enter this code using the C1 controller buttons, then press the left arrow button, which acts as the enter key. Two, MECHA will now turn slowly to the right, and the power LED will start flashing. 3. Press the power button when you see or feel a slight movement to the left. You can use the viewfinder, live view with zoom, or other attached devices, like a laser pointer, to observe this movement, or sense it manually at the onset of the motion. 4. At the end, the LEDs will display a value around 24, preceded by a colon, where 24 is the new calibration factor, which is saved automatically. You can re-enter the code if you want a better result or have more precise methods to determine the small movement. You can cancel the procedure by pressing any button except power when the power LED flashes. Press power immediately after its LED starts flashing to disable compensation. If no buttons are pressed, the procedure will time out in 5 minutes. To see the new calibration factor, access the config page and navigate to the backlash field. Although the automatic procedure is recommended, you can manually enter a backlash value in this field. For E1 and E2 rotators, the value is approximately 21, and for the P1 rotator, it is 0 because P1 has no backlash. Then click the Apply button. Thank you for watching.